Hi, I'm Angel, an attorney with experience in AI, cybersecurity, and IP. Let's talk about the fractional counsel model, what that is, and who can benefit from it. The traditional model is lawyers bill by the hour for the legal work that they do, sometimes with a flat fee, but generally you get billed for each hour for the time that the lawyer puts in the work. And depending on how long the project takes, that's what the bill ends up. That adds significant cost, as these big law firms could bill in the thousands of dollars per hour, but also the uncertainty and unpredictability of not knowing what the legal bill is going to look like when the work is all done. Especially for lean startups, these multi-$1,000 an hour bills and the unpredictability could cause significant issues. A new model that's recently become widely adopted is a fractional counsel model. And that functions by allowing you to hire almost a part-time lawyer that's part of your team at a predictable fixed monthly costs. And if they don't bill you by the hour, it gives them the incentive to actually get deeply embedded into your business, understand all the potential issues, and prioritize the legal steps that need to be taken based on the available budget each month. A fractional counsel really becomes a part of the team and a trusted business advisor, and rather than optimizing their work for billable hours, they optimize their work for the critical support that the startup needs right now based on their knowledge of the business and the place where that startup is in its life cycle. Fractional counsel also has the added flexibility of different support tier options that could either grow or get reduced as your legal needs change. For example, for a startup business, an essential package might be all you need to help with entity formation, IP assignment, and stuff like that. And as the business gets more sophisticated or closer to funding or exit, they can scale all the way up to preparing you for public stock listings, cleaning up the cap tables, setting up the actual acquisition, doing the due diligence and all that. In addition, even if you have an in-house legal team, they're generally not experts in a particular field, but more of a generalist and stretched pretty thin already. So fractional counsel can act as an augmentation to that team for specific projects, for specific events like responding to a cybersecurity event or preparing the company for acquisition. In summary, a fractional counsel is a very efficient way for your company to get the right size legal support at a predictable fixed monthly cost. They can grow or get reduced as your legal needs changed. And it ensures that the person you get is actually aligned with your company's needs and not billing you by the hour for every conversation. If you want to learn more about the fractional counsel model or how it can benefit your startup, please click the link below. Visit our blog where you could learn more and get a lot of other useful resources.